Good afternoon, live from Caesars in Las Vegas. I'm Ryan Green. Welcome to Data Cloud Now. I'm joined by Maarten Masschelein, co-founder and CEO of Soda. Soda is the data reliability and quality platform that creates the observatory data teams need to find, analyze, and resolve data issues. Maarten, thank you so much for joining me. How does Snowflake help deliver on your mission to bring everyone closer to the data?
First of all, thanks for having me. Super excited to be here. So Snowflake's really on a mission to mobilize the world's data.
Right.
And in doing so, they're creating a single platform, like a single experience to bring everyone together to collaboratively build and work with data.
Really collaboration in real time, if you will.
That's true. And Snowflake does not stop at just the organizational boundaries. They transcend it, right? So they go into your suppliers of data, the marketplace, so beyond your traditional scope. And that's something I found truly exciting. And at Soda, our mission is to help companies build reliable data products, right? Trustworthy data, really. And we do that by delivering a workflow to, basically help teams find, analyze, and as you said, resolve data issues. Yeah. And I think what's truly unique is that with Snowflake, because the scope is so broad, our customers can actually achieve that reliability end to end, from your third-party data vendor all the way to consumption. Yeah.
It's an exciting journey up to this point. I have to get into your personal story. I love the founder's perspective. You founded Soda in 2018. How has the data landscape changed during that time? What have been your biggest observations over the past 4 years?
Right. So late 2018. So it's been a hell of a ride. It's crazy, but I love it, every single minute of it. And indeed, the data landscape, it changes quite rapidly.
Right.
So if I would have to categorize the key things that happened in data, I would say first is we've created teams that ultimately built a self-serve infrastructure, a data platform for everyone to be more successful with data across the organization. And they build in principles like self-serve and governance and privacy by design, all of these cool things into that platform. And that's been fantastic.
And the landscape's always changing, day in and day out. It's clearly an exciting time for Soda. I have to ask, what's next?
Well, what's next for us is a very exciting announcement around data sharing agreements. So we've talked about data sharing across boundaries and within the organization. And data sharing agreements is a cloud experience that we're bringing to all of our customers, our joint customers, where they can decide or define what good data looks like at every part of the journey, so that they can collaboratively tackle the problem of data quality and data reliability. That's something I'm extremely excited about. Right? We'll be releasing it in the next couple of weeks. We've gotten tremendous amount of feedback on it, so I'm really looking forward to that.
Well, I appreciate the live insights, Maarten. As you look towards the future, what excites you most about the Soda and Snowflake partnership?
Right, so I think Snowflake, yesterday Frank Slootman's presentation was fantastic. So the direction that Snowflake is going into is one, of course, around the network, the edges, the kind of data sharing relationships, which is fantastic, so a broad ecosystem. Also governance being as a central component, which is extremely important and a big topic, of course. And then thirdly, developer experience. And that's something at Soda we have a lot of experience in. We have
near and dear to you.
Oh yeah, we have, for example, an open source project for data reliability. It's called Soda Core. It's available on GitHub, and we've been maniacally obsessing about how can we create a better user experience for developers. Right. So all of these directions that Snowflake is going into are very similar to what we've been focusing on. So that will ultimately result in a lot of product releases or things that really connect it at the hip, and that will be very valuable for Snowflake customers.
An exciting time. We can hear the customers buzzing around Snowflake Summit. Maarten, thank you so much for joining me on Data Cloud Now. For the audience, if you want to catch Summit keynotes and more, make sure to catch the on-demand replay at snowflake.com/summit/livestream to explore all the newly announced products. My name is Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. We'll see you soon.